So विराट कोहली हैज़ फाइनली रिटायर्ड फ्रॉम टेस्ट क्रिकेट एंड एक जो मेरा बहुत बड़ा फियर था हमेशा कि मैं कैसे रिएक्ट करूँगा जब कोहली टेस्ट रिटायर होगा एंड it became a reality, and obviously I cried, and I was working in my office on that day, and when the news flashed I was shocked. I couldn't write a word, but I came to know that ठीक है, like this is life, and it happens. Many people are saying that Virat Kohli should rethink his decision and he should come back, and कोहली ने खुद बोला था कि वो 10,000 रन बनाना चाहते हैं टेस्ट में. बटर चिकन छोले भटूरे इसलिए नहीं छोड़े थे कि 36 पे रिटायर हो सके. बट कोहली ने ये भी बोला था कि द डे ही फील्स लाइक कि अब वो पैशन, वो एनर्जी नहीं रह गई है उनमें खेलने की, ही विल नो लॉन्गर बी प्लेइंग दैट फॉर्मेट एंड ही विल रिटायर. I think that moment came in Kohli's life, and if you see past few years, Kohli has not been that great. Like Kohli's standard, he has been scoring runs, and कई सारे ऐसे मैचेस मुझे याद हैं जहाँ पे he was the turning point. He was resisting, बहुत देर तक वो स्ट्रगल करते रहे, विकेट नहीं देते थे, but he was not up to his mark. I still remember the first time I saw Kohli in Test cricket, and I thought that he is made for T20Is and ODIs, but not for Test. क्योंकि उनमें वो पेशेंस नहीं था. He used to hurl abuses, and he also showed once middle finger to the Australian crowd. But like always, he proved me and many cricket pundits wrong that he could also play Test cricket, and that too with such an intent and uh, passion that he became the face of the Test cricket. अब देखो, विराट कोहली की कैप्टनसी अगर हम देखें तो 2015 में जब उन्हें कैप्टनसी मिली थी तो इंडिया वाज 7th, एंड टीम बहुत बुरी तरीके से फंस चुकी थी. हम कंटिन्यूसली सीरीज़ हार रहे थे, एंड ऑस्ट्रेलिया वाज वेरी टफ for MS Dhoni when he retired in the mid of the series. And in mid of the series, Virat Kohli was asked to take over the captaincy. And Adelaide Test tha, and Australia set a very huge total in front of India. And the dilemma was कि हम draw के लिए जाएंगे या test के लिए जाएंगे. And Virat and MS was reportedly having a chat, and Virat said कि no matter if we lose or whatever happens, we are going to chase the target, we are going to get the target. And India lost the match, I guess, by a few runs, but that was the intensity, that was the mentality of the team that Kohli has set for every player, that we are not going to lose the match, we are not going to draw the match, we are going to win the match. And after that series, if you see India's performance, home series kai sare hue, and they were brilliant. And then came the series of 2018 when the world witnessed Virat Kohli. We all remember all those posters and the promo with Shane Warne's voiceover announcing Virat Kohli as the face of the Test cricket. इंडिया गई वहाँ पे, ऑब्वियसली स्टीव स्मिथ और डेविड वार्नर वहाँ पे नहीं थे, बट स्टिल beating Australia in Australia is never ever easy. And with that pace attack of the trio of Pat Cummins, Hazelwood and Stark. But India did it. India ने पहली बार ऑस्ट्रेलिया को ऑस्ट्रेलिया में हराया, and कोहली became the first captain to beat Australia in Australia. So that will be the highlight of his career, I guess. Then obviously we went to South Africa. We couldn't win the series in South Africa, but the fight we gave, I still remember every series. Especially our batting lacked a bit, but हमारी bowling, जो फास्ट बॉलर्स को जो ग्रूम किया है कोहली ने, मोहम्मद सिराज, ईशांत शर्मा, उमेश यादव, वरुण आरन, जसप्रीत बुमराह, भुवनेश्वर कुमार, I mean, you just count the bowlers' name. And it was not about that these bowlers were not good pehle, they were equally good, but the intent, like if you're sledging Indian bowlers, they'll sledge you back and they'll double sledge you, they'll come towards you, they are not holding back. फिर हमारा इंग्लैंड सीरीज़ हुआ. इंग्लैंड सीरीज़ में सबसे पहले तो यार ये था कि 2014 में कोहली का इतना बुरा सीरीज़ था कि एवरी क्रिकेट पंडित वाज सेइंग कि नाउ इट इज़ फाइनलाइज दैट कोहली इज़ नॉट मेड फॉर फॉर द टेस्ट क्रिकेट, उसमें कंटिन्यूसली एजेस लग रहे थे, सेकेंड स्लिप पे कैचेस हो रहे थे एंडरसन की बॉल पे, एंड इट वाज ऑलमोस्ट फाइनलाइज दैट दिस कुड बी अ वेरी चैलेंजिंग फॉर हिम. बट जस्ट अ फ्यू मंथ्स लेटर वो 2014-15 का सीरीज आया जो मैं आपको बता रहा था, and he scored some 4 centuries in that test series. एंड उससे पहले, उस सीरीज से पहले दिनेश कार्तिक की उनसे चैट हुई थी. दिनेश कार्तिक बता रहे थे कि वहाँ पे वो बोल रहे थे दिनेश कार्तिक कोहली से कि भाई होते रहता है क्रिकेट में, इट इज़ लाइक you don't need to worry, you can bounce back. And Kohli told him that I'm going to score so many centuries in Australia in front of Johnson and Stark and Hazelwood. And Dinesh Karthik thought what a cocky guy he is, what a overconfident guy he is, and he did it. Now coming back to England series, 14 was a disaster, and when Virat Kohli landed in England, all the questions was ki how he is going to perform in England. Because James Anderson was still there, Stuart Broad became better, and they had some good spinners. Adil Rashid was there, Moeen Ali was there, Ben Stokes was there, and even Chris Woakes was bowling, and Chris Woakes also has a good swing bowling. So it was a dilemma that if Virat Kohli will perform, and we all remember that century in Edgbaston, and that celebration of going roaring like loud. And it was the statement that Virat Kohli overcame that fear of the outswinging delivery, and he scored the century there. And then something happened in 2019, and South Africa came to India, and Virat scored 254 in one matches. In fact, he could score 300. अगर एक सेशन में बैटिंग कर लेते, getting 40 odd runs is not much in a session. And Kohli could easily get that, but he declared the innings when he was batting at 254. It is his highest total also. And then came COVID, and I think COVID से ना सारी चीज़ें बदल गई. When India toured Australia in 2020 to 21, his first baby was expected. And पहला मैच खेलने के बाद कोहली वापस इंडिया आ गए थे. So first match में he scored 63 runs. I still crystal clear I remember the moment when Kohli got run out by when that confusion with Ajinkya Rahane. Rahane played that ball towards cover and they ran, and Rahane stopped him. Kohli went back, but he couldn't reach the crease and he got run out. And after that he didn't play in Australia. He came back, and that was the change. That was the turning point in his career, I guess. He didn't play the whole series. उसके बाद जो मैचेस हुए, जो इंडिया में भी मैचेस हुए, बांग्लादेश के साथ सीरीज़ था, श्रीलंका के साथ सीरीज़ था, अब हिज स्ट्रगल अगेंस्ट द स्पिन बिगेन. लाइक ठीक है, लाइक पेस के अगेंस्ट फिर भी आप समझ में आ रहा है, एंड ही वर्कड ऑन दैट. बट स्पिन के साथ जब इशू स्टार्ट हुआ तो वो थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम हुआ विराट कोहली के लिए, आई गेस. बट दिस इज़ नॉट द राइट टाइम टू टॉक अबाउट ऑल दीज थिंग्स. What Virat Kohli has given to Test cricket is, in this modern era of T20Is, when everybody is watching T20I, there is franchise cricket going on and everything, he promoted Test cricket. It was not only Virat Kohli captaining the team and winning in Sena countries or India. It was more of how they are going to play for the 5 days, how he made all the Indians wake up at 5 a.m. and watching 2 or 3 sessions of Test cricket. Even if you are in office, you just put your phone aside and you are working and watching the Test cricket simultaneously. This is the gift that Virat Kohli has given. Virat Kohli has promoted Test cricket to that level that that the younger generation, the new kids, they want to play the Test cricket. And it is not about just scoring hundreds. He has 30 hundreds with an average of almost 47, 9,273 runs, which is great. He is not the greatest of the format, unlike ODIs, right? But what separates is his passion for the game. जब भी एक विकेट गिरता था, जब जितना बॉलर सेलिब्रेट कर रहा है उससे ज़्यादा विराट कोहली सेलिब्रेट कर रहा है. द टीम हर्डल टॉक्स. फॉर द नेक्स्ट 60 ओवर्स दे शुड फील लाइक हेल. मेरे को कोई हंसता हुआ नहीं दिख जाना चाहिए. दैट इज द विराट कोहलीज इम्पैक्ट एंड दिस इज वॉट वी आर गोइंग टू मिस. अगर विराट कोहली टीम में है, यू इवन इफ ही इज आउट ऑफ फॉर्म, यू कैन नॉट टेक हिम लाइटली, यू कैन नॉट टेक द टीम लाइटली, you cannot hurl abuses at any player, you cannot sledge at any player. He'll come back to you, he'll sledge you double. And this is the mentality जो पूरी टीम की डेवलप हो चुकी थी. वी आर आई रिमेंबर जब इंग्लैंड गए थे तो वहाँ पे मोहम्मद सिराज के साथ एक इंसिडेंट हो गया था एंड वन ऑफ द प्लेयर्स बेरेस्टो वाज देयर and he sledged he hit Siraj for a 4 and he sledged Siraj came back and he sledged him back and he got out and he celebrated like Ronaldo and everyone was crazy. So टेस्ट क्रिकेट को हमेशा ये देखा गया कि इट इज़ वेरी स्लो पेस्ड फॉर्मेट. मतलब 5 दिन है, बैट्समैन खेल रहा है एंड बॉलर्स बॉलिंग कर रहे हैं एंड इट इज़ गोइंग ऑन एंड गोइंग ऑन एंड गोइंग ऑन. बट व्हेन समवन इज celebrating like crazy, when someone is energizing, continuously clapping, continuously encouraging the bowlers, continuously shining the ball, it gets interesting. It actually does. And Kohli did that. So the biggest contribution of Kohli is still promoting this cricket in the era of this white ball cricket, when everyone is trying to play franchisee cricket and T20Is. That's it. I mean, my heart is filled with emotions. I still remember जब मैं काम कर रहा था, मैं वापस आया घर पे and I actually cut a cake to celebrate whatever he did for the Indian cricket and for the Test cricket. And I came and I had to take a nap of 1 hour, 2 hour to just relax. I was crying continuously in the office. Luckily उस दिन बुद्ध पूर्णिमा था तो कोई ऑफिस में आया नहीं था, बहुत कम लोग आए थे, वर्क फ्रॉम होम था हमारी टीम में. बट आई वेंट टू द ऑफिस एंड आई वॉज कंटिन्यूसली क्राइंग एंड स्टोरीज लगा रहा था, पोस्ट्स डाल रहा था एंड फ्यू पीपल सेड कि यार ठीक है, टेस्ट से ही रिटायर हुआ है, ही इज स्टिल गोइंग टू प्ले फॉर RCB, ही इज गोइंग टू प्ले द ODI फॉर्मेट. बट आई नो it was his format, it was his favorite format, it was Virat's favorite format, it was our favorite format. And Virat Kohli in ODI and T20 is fine, but Virat in Test is the real OG. So this is the tribute video to Virat Kohli. Thank you for all these moments, all these experiences, all those learnings. You said in your post that Test cricket has groomed you, Test cricket has taught you the lessons which you are not going to forget in all over your life. And the lessons which you taught us, we are not going to forget that in life. That to play bold, that to take up the challenge, that to never hold back. We will never forget that. Thank you for all these countless memories, Virat. And have a great ODI career ahead, franchise career ahead, and a great life ahead. I'm so happy for Virat. The day I saw he retired and the next day he was in Vrindavan and he mala jap kar rahe the. He was talking about the spirituality and it was so nice to see a man grow from all the over energy and the passion and the aggression, and now he is going soft and more spiritual. Cannot connect with him actually right now at this point of time in my life, but I wish I'll one day with my hero, my role model, I'll connect, and I wish all the best to Virat Kohli. Thank you, legend. Thank you for everything. You inspired me to do things that I couldn't imagine, and it was an absolute honor to watch you. Thank you. I don't want to end this video actually, but I have to. बहुत मुश्किल से मैंने ये वीडियो बनाया. I couldn't just make this video on 2 दिन हो गए actually विराट कोहली को रिटायर हुए, but still it is in my head. It is in my head. It is like it has stuck in the corner of my head. It is not going anywhere. Thank you, great. Thank you for everything. I'll always remember you as my captain, as my hero, as my role model. Thanks for everything.